Hey, it's Karie with the Bookkeeping Nerd. This is video 6 of my series, Bookkeeping for Etsy Sellers. So far in this series, we have created our chart of accounts, we imported the bank statement, we posted the bank transactions for the month. In the previous video, we downloaded the Etsy Finance Summary, the CSV file, and now I'll show you how to download the CSV file from the settings options in your Etsy back office. So in the previous video, I showed you two places where to get your Etsy sales numbers. The first place was right here in the activity summary. We are in the month of January. All of these, we have pushed the drop down. The second place was download CSV file right here. Now, there's a third place I want to show you. And we're going to click on settings, go to options, scroll up and find download data, and go down here to orders. We're going to click on orders. The month is going to be January, and choose your year. Click on download CSV. Now it says we're going to send it to your email that's on file with Etsy. So before I pull up the third CSV file, I want to show you what our numbers look like so far. So for the Etsy monthly activity, everything is listed in black. Right here we have our sales, refunds, bank deposits, total fees. For the green file, the CSV file that we've already uploaded, everything in black was on that file. There was one number that was not on the Etsy monthly activity, and that is this charge for a refund to the credit card. And I'll explain that when we post those to the journal entries. So that is why I have you upload two. Now we're going to work on the CSV file from the settings and options that I just showed you how to get there. We're only going to take two things from that file: gross sales and sales discount. Okay, here is your monthly sales. We want to look for order value and discount. So again, we're going to do equals sum parenthesis, in parentheses, summer. Okay, there is our gross sales, and we're going to do the same for discount. In parentheses, and then enter. Okay, and I'm going to show you where these go.